Hi students, today we will study one topic vertical circular motion from class 11th related to NEET and JEE. First, let us see what is vertical circular motion. Circular motion means object which is traveling in a circular path, we will call it as like a circular motion. In that special, so vertical circular motion, right? Vertical circular motion means what? The object is going in a vertical plane. So if it is object is going in a vertical plane in a circular path, so that is said to be like a vertical circular motion. So here let us say here, no, we will take one pendulum here, no. So we will take one object of mass m. So it is attached to the string of length is L. So if you give some speed to this, what will happen now? It will go to certain height, again it will come back onto this. So and it will be able to oscillate. If you give some more speed, it will go somewhere higher and again come back onto this one now. If you give some more speed, it will go here and it can fall back. So you need to give some speed so that it can make complete one complete circular path now. Right? What should be the minimum speed you should give so that this object will undergo complete circular motion? And we will study at different points, what will be the tension in the string and what should be the minimum speed you have to maintain and what will be the topmost speed we will calculate, and some more problems related to this topic. First, let us see, we provided some speed here for this ball, we provided some speed, right? So of length is L. So now we will take one general point here, and we will calculate what will be the speed at this point and what will be the tension at this point. Then we can calculate whatever the tension and speed at any point in the complete circular path. Let us see here now. If you are throwing, so it is went to here, further it is there, therefore it can go. So here at this point it is moving with some speed. So let us take that, we can take it as V. And it is making an angle theta here, theta of length is L. So when an object is raised to certain height, so how much height is raised now? So here this much amount of height it is raised. Now we want to calculate this height. So how to calculate this height now? This is h and this total length is L, and we can calculate this height it will be, and this length is equals to L minus h. We can use this triangle, so then we can calculate this height. So here we can write it as, this is your adjacent side, this opposite side, this is hypotenuse. So we can write down cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent side, that is L minus h divided by hypotenuse, therefore it will be L. So therefore you can take it here, no, L cos theta is equals to L minus h. So this h taken here, no, L cos theta taken here, no, h is equals to L of 1 minus cos theta. So this is your height. This is the formula to calculate this height. So first we got it as height, h is equals to L of 1 minus cos theta. So we want here velocity. So here we are given some velocity here, no, it is u. So it is having kinetic energy, therefore kinetic energy is half mu square. So when it is gone to here, it is having kinetic energy and potential energy at this point. Therefore here total energy, potential energy is 0. Here total energy is only kinetic energy. At this point, what will be the total energy? Total energy is potential energy, that is mgh, and it is having kinetic energy. Therefore half mv square. By using law of conservation of energy, so here energy and here energy, it should be equal. Now let us calculate, so velocity at this point. So here half mu square is equals to mgh plus half mv square. So m cancel here, no, multiply 2. So therefore it is u square is equals to, so v square plus 2gh. This taken here, no. So velocity square is equals to, velocity we want to calculate velocity here, no, taken here u square minus 2gh. So this will be the velocity for right? Here velocity, we got it as velocity v square is equals to u square minus 2gh. H value substitute it now, v square is equals to u square minus 2g into h value is nothing but a 2g, that is L into 1 minus cos theta. This it will be your velocity equation at this point, right? So now v square is equals to u square minus 2gl 1 minus cos theta. So this it will be the velocity, this it will be your height. Now we will calculate the tension at this point. How to calculate the tension at this point now? Let us see here now. Okay, so here we can calculate the tension here now. Therefore at this point it is undergoing in a circular path now. Therefore it will be experiencing an outward force, that is centrifugal force now, that is mv square by radius of this one is nothing but L, that is L. Not only this one now, it will be mg, and this component here theta, here also theta, therefore it will be mg cos theta. So here these two forces is balanced by the tension in the string now. Therefore tension can be calculated as, so tension you can write it as tension. So tension is equals to, therefore mg cos theta plus mv square by L. So here we will substitute v square value. So tension it will be equal to mg cos theta plus m by L into v square value is u square minus 2gl minus of minus plus here no, here multiply it no, 2gl cos theta. So then this you can multiply it no, mg cos theta plus m u square by L. So minus, so 2mgl by L plus 2mgl by L into cos theta. Here L cancel no. So here mg cos theta, here 2mg cos theta, totally 3mg cos theta. Tension we can get it as, so here m u square by L, then so mg cos theta plus, so totally 3mg cos theta, then so minus 2mg. This it will be the tension in the vertical circular motion. Tension you can write it as tension, very important formula. Here tension is equals to m u square by L plus 3mg cos theta minus 2mg. So I am telling you, in vertical circular motion if you want to study, therefore three formulas are important. What are the three formulas? No, one is height, this is height, and next one is velocity, next one is tension. These three formulas if you are thorough, so you can solve any type of problem related to the vertical circular motion, right? So then let us see some questions now. So on this, right, if you want to study vertical circular motion, we require three formulas. So what are the three formulas now? Just now we derived. So that is height, h is equals to L of 1 minus cos theta. So velocity square already we did, u square minus 2gl of 1 minus cos theta. So also tension we calculated, mu square by L plus 3mg cos theta minus 2mg. These are the three formulas are enough to solve the vertical circular motion. Then we will calculate, so what will be the tension at the bottommost point, tension, and what will be the velocity, and what will be the velocity at the topmost point now. Suppose at the bottommost point we are provided one velocity is u. So what will be the tension here now? Bottommost point theta is equals to 0. So theta is equals to 0 means what? Cos 0 is equals to 1. So substitute this one now, cos theta. So cos theta, therefore cos theta value is 1. So 3mg minus 2mg, therefore it will be mg. So mu square by L plus mg. This is here tension at the bottommost point. So this will be the tension which is maximum. maximum tension, right? So similarly, we'll calculate velocity and tension at this point. At this point, what is the angle here now? Theta is equals to 90 degree. So cos 90, so it will be equal to 0, right? So you can substitute in this one now. So therefore, you can get it as V square is equals to U square minus 2GL, 1 minus 0, therefore it is 1, right? So V square is equals to U square minus 2GL. What will be the tension here now? So cos 90, this term is 0. So mu square by L minus 2mg. Clear? So topmost point, what is the angle here now? What is the angle? So this angle is about 180 degree. Theta is equals to 180 degree. So cos 180 is how much now? Cos 180 is equals to minus 1. Substitute here now. You can get it as this cos 180 is minus 1, minus or minus plus. So at this point, velocity V square is equals to U square minus 2GL of 1 minus or minus means plus. Therefore, 2 into 2, that is nothing but a 4GL. This it will be the velocity at the topmost point. Similarly, tension at the topmost point, tension at C. So you can write it as this is cos theta, that is minus 3 mg minus 2 mg. Therefore, mu square by L minus 5 mg. So this it will be your tension at the topmost point. And tension at the bottommost point is mu square by L minus 2 mg. Bottommost point is this one now, and middle point is this. So topmost point, therefore tension will be minimum, right? So the tension will be minimum at this point. So we want to make, so what should be the speed should be given so that it will be able to complete one complete circular path. Minimum speed we want to give it now. Therefore, minimum speed means what? At this point should have such that the tension should be equal to 0, so that it will be undergo like a minimum condition onto this. So this condition we can call it as critical condition for a vertical circular motion now. So what will be the critical condition now? Therefore, at the topmost point, tension should be equal to 0. What is the tension? We got it now. We got it tension. Tension is nothing but a mu square by L minus 5 mg. So we can substitute here now. So mu square by L minus 5 mg is equals to 0. So taken here now, mu square by L is equals to 5 mg, get cancelled, u square is equals to 5gl. What should be the minimum speed you need to provide it now? U is equals to square root of 5gl. Clear? So we need to provide minimum speed at the bottommost point is u is equals to square root of 5gl, right? So this is a condition, no? So more than this is okay, therefore less than this, so therefore it will go somewhere and again come back onto this. It will not make a complete circular path onto this. Clear? Now we will do one question here, no, related to this. Okay, this is a question is given, no. If you are given u is equals to square root of 5gl at the bottommost point, no, therefore we want to calculate the tension at this point, tension. So tension, so what is the tension here now? Tension at A, what is the formula? So no need to remember any formula, simple thing, simple rule, you can remember that if any velocity is provided at this point now, so it is having circular path, so it will be experiencing a centrifugal force mu square by L, also mg is acting downward, so like this you can calculate, so very easily mu square by L plus mg. Right? So u is equals to m by L, u square value is nothing but a 5gl plus mg. So L will get cancelled out, 5mg plus mg. So 6 mg will be the tension at A. Tension at A is what? 6 mg. Similarly, we can calculate what will be the tension at B now. Tension and velocity. What is the velocity formula? We got it now. V square is equals to U square minus 2GL. This is the formula we got it. Yes or no? V square is equals to U square minus 2GL. So substitute here now. In the place of U square is nothing but a 5GL. So what you will get it now? It will be 5GL minus 2GL. It is nothing but a 3GL. V is equals to, so square root of 3GL, velocity at B. So similarly, tension at B, we want to calculate it now. Tension at B, what is the formula we got it now? Mu square by L. So we can see it now. Here, mu square by L minus 2mg, U value you can substitute it as. So square root of 5GL now. So m into 5GL by L minus 2mg. Right? So here L and it get cancelled. 5mg minus 2mg. Therefore, 3mg will be the tension at B. Clear? Similarly, tension at C we want to calculate. Already we know that if you are providing with a square root of 5GL, so therefore tension at C, what will happen now? Tension at C, so it will becomes to the 0. Substitute it now, you can get it. What will be the velocity at C now? Velocity at C, we already got it. Velocity square is equals to U square minus 5, right? So we got it as, so 4 V square minus 4GL, right? So now it will be 4GL. So substitute here now, square root of 5GL now. So therefore 5GL minus 4GL. So therefore GL, velocity at C, it will be equal to square root of GL. This it will be the velocity at the topmost point. So and tension will be 0. Tension at A will be maximum 6 mg. Tension at B, it will be the minimum, 3 mg. Tension at C, it will be the minimum 0. Right? So like this, only the 2 formulas, no? 3 formulas is enough. So similar type of problem, no? U is equals to square root of 7GL. Similarly, instead of 5GL, you can substitute 7GL. Then you can calculate what will be the tension at A, tension at B, and tension at C. Tension at B, tension at A. Try to calculate, try these students, right? So it's a good question. Now we'll go for one more thing, no? Suppose, here one more question, no? Suppose there is a one string is there provided with a square root of 5GL. Then it will go top, then when it is going top, no? Therefore this string will be breaks. When the string is breaks, no? Where it is going to fall? We want to calculate it now. Therefore, what will be the, how much far away distance, no? We want to calculate it now. Therefore, so this we can call it as like a range. Suppose when you are going like this, when you are throwing like this, at the topmost point, what will be the speed here now? Speed, we got it down, speed at this topmost point, it will be equal to square root of GL. So this is exactly, this your length is L and this is also length is L, total height it will be 2L. When it comes here, no, the object will go in the tangential way and it will go and it will be fall at some distance here. So this is exactly like a horizontal projectile motion, no? So horizontal projectile motion, how it will be? So we are throwing like this, so therefore it will be coming and falling. What will be the distance, no? Range formula, U into square root of 2h by g. This is the horizontal projectile motion. You can substitute it now. What should be the speed here now? Speed is equals to root gl into, so square root of 2h. What is the height here now? L plus L. Therefore it is into 2L by therefore g. So both of the roots are there. You can take it inside. Therefore gl into 4L by g get cancelled out. So therefore you can get it as 4L square. 4L square is root is nothing but a 2L. Therefore range it will become like a 2 times of L. That means how much distance is there. So that much amount of distance is going to fall. If you are providing with a U is equals to square root of 5GL. So do the same question. So as a work, so U is equals to square root of 7GL. And again if it comes to here, it will be able to break, it will be able to fall here. Clear? Clear students? Now we'll see one more question now. Okay, this type of question frequently asked in the NEET and JEE. So this is a completely smooth surface, no? Here one block is there, it is released. Released means U is equals to 0. So this will come down and it will go in the form of a like a track. So what should be the height? What should be the height? This is entire smooth surface. What should be the height so that this block will make come completely circular path? What should be the height? Height and this radius. So you know that it is having potential energy total, right? Released means no kinetic energy. Potential energy is mgh. When it comes to here, it will be having only kinetic energy. Kinetic energy, what is the formula? Half m, therefore u square. So this should be equal onto this one. No? Now potential energy is mgh is equals to half m u square. But to make it this complete circular path, what should be the speed? So speed should be u is equals to square root of 5 gl. Gl means there is a length of the string. Here this is nothing but a radius. What should be the speed now? U should be equal to square root of 5g into r. Substitute this one now. mgh is equals to half m into u square value is nothing but a 5gr. So therefore this will get cancelled out. G also get cancelled out. Therefore 2h is equals to 5r minimum. So therefore here h should be equal to, so therefore 5r by 2. So more than this is also possible. Therefore it should be greater than or equal to 5r by 2. Right. So this is one of your NEET question, no? Right. So same type of question, no? Right. Here this one height is given, mass of this object is given as 1 kg. This also completely like a smooth surface, smooth, and this radius is about 1 meter. So now we need to calculate what will be the normal reaction at A and normal reaction at B, normal reaction or reaction force exerted by the ground at point C. We want to calculate it. So this looks like difficult, but it is simple question only. So here we know it. So here what will be the speed of this object at this point? We want to calculate it now. So what will be the speed here? Again potential energy. Potential energy is nothing but mgh. So potential energy is equals to m is how much now? 1. G value is 10. Height is equals to 10. Potential energy is about 100 joules. When it's coming to here, it is having kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. So that should be equal to completely 100 joules because it's a smooth surface. Half m u square. This should be your u, right? So 100 is equals to 1 by 2 into 1 into u square. So taken here no, u square value is 5, sorry, if u square is equals to, this is 200, right? U is equals to root 200. This should be the speed. Now here we want to calculate normal reaction at this point. Normal reaction is nothing but it is undergoing circular path of this one, no? So it is having again the same thing you apply it, no? Therefore here it will be mg. So circular path means centrifugal force mv square by r. So there's nothing but a normal reaction at A is nothing but a mg plus mu square by it is r. So therefore m is 1 into 10 plus 1, u square value is 200. So radius is also 1 meter. 1 meter. 200 plus 10, 210 newtons will be your normal reaction at A. Similarly, so we can calculate what will be the normal reaction at B. So exactly we calculated, right? Similarly, we can calculate tension, normal reaction at B and normal reaction at C. So like we calculated tension, no? So the tension like that we can calculate here, no? So you know U. So what will be the normal reaction at B? That is nothing but a tension at B. So that is mu square by r minus 2mg. Right? U square is equals to 200. So m is 1. Therefore 200 divided by it is 1 minus 2 into 1 into 10. So 200 minus 20, therefore 180 newtons. Therefore normal reaction at this point is 180 newtons. Similarly, what will be the normal reaction? That is nothing but again tension at the C. So how to calculate what will be the tension now? So tension at C, you know, we calculated Therefore, m u square by it is r minus 5 mg. Therefore, this it will be the tension at C. Similarly, you can substitute here, no, u square value you already know it, no. So, normal reaction at C, it will be equal to m is nothing but 1, u square is nothing but 200 by r value is 1 minus 5 into 1 into 10. Therefore, 200 minus 50, therefore 150 newtons. So, like this we can calculate the normal reaction at any points. Not only these points, no, therefore we already calculated. So, if you want to calculate normal reaction at any one point here, at this point we calculated the formula, that is formula tension T is equals to m u square by r plus 3 mg cos theta, therefore minus 2 mg. Therefore, you need to calculate this theta here. So, at this point you can calculate the normal reaction at any point on this. Clear? So, now similarly we can go for one more question. No? Let us see. Okay, this is one confusion question for most of the students. No? Let us see what is the difference till now what we discussed and what is this question is. So, let us study. A 1 kg stone is there at the end of a 1 meter long string is reeled in a vertical circle. Vertical circle. Every student will think that is a vertical circle question. Now, let us see. At a constant speed of 4 meters per second. So, this point you will get a confusion on this. So, it is a constant speed of 4 meters per second. Find the tension at topmost point and bottommost point. So, here constant speed, till now what we discussed in a vertical circular motion, so we thrown with one speed here, no, therefore it will undergo like a one circular path, correct. So, that means the speed at the different points, no, therefore the speed it will be the different. But here what it is says now, he said that therefore the speed at every point it is same. See, constant speed, that means the speed at this point is 4 meters per second, 4 meters per second. The speed at this point, 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 every point the speed it is same. Till now what we discussed, and this question is different. Now we want to calculate here, no. So, tension at the bottommost point and tension at the topmost point. Exactly the same thing. We know it. So, here it is going in a circular path, no. So, downward force is mg and also circular path is there, no. So, centrifugal force mv square by r. So, tension. No? So, bottommost point you can write it as mg is acting downward, mv square is also acting outward. So, therefore, mv square by r plus mg. This it will be the tension at the bottommost point, which is maximum. So, mass is equals to 1 kg is given. So, speed at every point it is nothing but a 4 meters per second, 4 square. So, what should be the string length, radius is nothing but a 1 plus 1 into 10. So, how much it will be now? It is 16 plus 10, therefore 26 newtons. So, tension will be at the bottommost point is 26 newtons. Similarly, tension at topmost point. What will be the tension at topmost point now? So, here is also having the speed is nothing but a 4 meters per second. So, therefore, downward it is mg and upward is nothing but a mv square by r. Clear? So, tension we want to calculate here, no. So, tension here, no, tension T. So, here what are the forces now? Mg plus tension, it is balancing by the mv square by r. Let us see here, no. Therefore, so tension at the topmost point, it will be downward force is mg plus t, it is given, no. Therefore, t plus mg is equals to, therefore, mv square by r minus mg. M is how much now? 1 into velocity is nothing but a 4 square by 1 minus 1 into 10. So, 16 minus 10 is nothing but a 6 newtons. Therefore, at bottommost point and topmost point. Clear? So, one constant speed. So, that word